Hey guys, it's Leslie again from Like Leslie, and today I have decided to do my infamous charcoal mask. I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to make it, just to kind of go along with the blog post I did a while back, and I'll show you exactly how I do it and what it looks like on my face and what it looks like after, obviously. Okay, so let's get to it. So in order to make the charcoal mask, you're going to need a little container, activated charcoal. I use peppermint essential oil. Just it gives like a nice tingling sensation, and it's really good for like antibacterial purposes and stuff like that, so it's good for acne. And then I'm also going to be using lemon essential oil, and that is good for clearing up dark spots and brightening up your face. The liquid that's going to go in is just aloe vera jelly, which is good for healing purposes as well. So first, I take my foundation brush because that's what's easier to use. I take a scoop, put it in, take another scoop.
This came from discussion while the heartbeat is bumping, spidey senses is jumping, footloose dancing and stunting. My estate is for grabs, you know I'm waiting for loving. I saw this made up, searching for data. What was it made of? Started saying I know the shape of. I wish you make up.
So you just want to mix it up until it's like a thicker consistency, and then add your essential oils. So I do about 5 drops of the peppermint, and I do a little bit more of the lemon.
Pop out to the people, pop out to the people, pop out to the people.
So once again, you just mix that all up. You have like, kind of looks like that. Make sure your skin is freshly washed before you put the mask on. And then you just go ahead. So you want to make sure that you avoid your eye area and obviously around your mouth as well. I'm probably going to leave it on for 30 minutes and then I'm going to wash it off, and that's it. Side note, I use the aloe vera because it allows this mask to easily be washed off, unlike the people that use the Elmer's glue. That is so unhealthy. And like, it's not safe. I don't know why people do that, but
it's funny how money changes situation. I keep letting you back in. How can I explain myself? What you do, I win some, but you really lost one. You just lost one. It's so silly. How come? Care for me, I know you care for me, there for me, care for me. You said you'll be there for me, cry for me. You said you down for me, give to me. Why won't you live for me?
So my mask is just about dry. I'm gonna go wash it off and I will be right back. So now that all of the face mask is washed off, I finish up with some rose water spray. Just like that. I kind of let it do its own thing, and I put a little face cream on top. I've been using MAC's Lightful Deep Ultra Moist Cream for years. It's like this container. There's not much left in it, so I kind of need to re-up on that, but I just take a little bit. And that's it. Nice, refreshed. Like the mask is such a, it really wakes you up. Just because of the lemon and the peppermint, all of those essential oils just like really wake you up, and it's a really nice, refreshing feeling. Your skin just feels so perfect after, and like I don't know if you can tell, but I feel like my skin's a lot brighter. But yeah, if you like what you saw, comment below, follow me Instagram, follow me on Twitter, and obviously subscribe. Thanks, bye.
Pop out to the people, pop out to the people, pop out to the people.